Wait! Don't subtract yet. What if I told you that you can solve subtraction without subtracting? Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Let's play a quick game. Can you tell me how far it is from 48 to 73? Think about it. Don't worry if you don't know. By the end of this video, you'll solve questions like this in just a few seconds. Instead of subtracting, we're going to count forward from the smaller number. Start at 48. What's the next friendly number, a multiple of 10, which is 50. From 48 to 50 is 2. Now jump from 50 to 70. That's 20 more. Finally, count from 70 to 73. That's 3. Now add all our jumps together. 2 plus 20 plus 3 equals 25. Now it's your turn. Ready? 81 minus 57. Pause and try it yourself. I'll wait. Let's check. Start from the smaller number, 57. Count 3 to reach 60. Then count 20 to reach 80. Finally, count 1 to reach 81. Now add all the jumps. 3 plus 20 plus 1 and 24. So, 81 minus 57 is 24. Remember, jump to friendly numbers like 10s, 50s, or 100s. Bigger jumps make mental subtraction much easier. Great job, everyone! Today, you learned how to subtract by adding up using 2-digit numbers. In our next video, we'll see if this amazing trick works for 3-digit numbers too. Don't miss it! Like, share, and subscribe to A&M Edunova. See you next time!